Hello guys, Silver Butterflies here. I briefly show what I bought and fly away. So these two Yardley mists, one is Lily of the Valley and this is Rose, English Rose, moisturizing body mist. And this is what I bought it. It's like 250 anniversary. It was in 20s. So Yardley London has been capturing the delicate fragrance of English flowers since 1770. And long-lasting, quick-drying, moisturizing fragrance body mist infused with Yardley London Lily of the Valley fragrance, which subtly blends crisp feminine notes of Lily of the Valley with freesia, containing sweet almond extract to leave skin feeling soft and smooth. Wow! 97% naturally derived ingredients, vegetable derived alcohol base, paraben free, cruelty free, suitable for vegans. Wow, I didn't know that. I just started reading and that's what I got. This is light rose with notes of rosebud, magnolia and cassis. I sprayed it in a previous video, in my Russian video, but I want more. It gave me such good mood. I didn't have a good mood for some reason. I bought all this stuff on an autopilot. I just go by some other business, and I was dropping by to several stores and buying it like just for the hell of it. I don't know why. Just bought it. Moreover, it came like a wave. I started buying like crazy. So I bought this 3 because it was discount, and I thought, okay, I'll give it as a gift. Although I love myself Yardley perfume. And then I bought Revlon, the perfume and lipstick, which is like very interesting lipsticks, and it's called Love is On. I just love the bottle. It was created in one of those Valentine's time, and so this and this is supposed to be love story, and Love is On. I smelled it before in a big bottle. For strange reason, this bottle didn't have much commercial success. I don't know why. The bottle is a piece of art. The smell is okay, but so for some reason it kind of abandoned. Then I bought Lady Gaga because I know this stuff is disappearing from the shelves if it's not gone forever. It's discontinued already and hard to be found, so I found it and I thought, okay, I'll buy it just because of that. Although I had a review for that previously in my Russian channel, and it was in a gift set with the body shower or gel. But anyway, this is another one, brand new. I'm just thinking to have it never hurts. Then I bought this Rose Wet n Wild because previously I bought Cucumber and Coconut. It's base water drop primer. I haven't used it yet, but maybe when I will, I'll tell you what I'm thinking about it. So brand new. I just don't want to open it because so many stuff opened already. One of those eyeshadows I actually was planning to open it today. See how glittering is that? At the end of the story, I use my usual eyeshadows, which is very fast, liquid, one finger, that's it, and done. Also I bought Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. What is good about it is the plucker, the brush itself, and 3 different substances there, and even mirror enclosed, and this cute like a button little set. So 963 ash brown. So maybe one day I'll use it. We'll see. I just bought it because of it. Also, they gave me the presents with the purchase. This is Vichy Lift Active B3 Serum, dark spots and wrinkles. And this is Collagen Specialist Lift Active, sensitive skin hypoallergenic Vichy mineralizing thermal water cream. It's a huge amount. It's 15 ml. It's like full size cream. They gave me as is. Because at the end of the story I asked the assistant, do you have any samples? So she gave me this. So you never know. Even that didn't rise my mood. I don't know why. It's depressing weather, or like life is so depressing for me. On the other store they gave me even something to be happy. Hedonist of Ex Nihilo. And I'm craving to do the video, but for that I have to get the mood. Please get back to me this mood. I just don't want to have depression. And also 3 different samples. One is Nitri Lumier jour, and this is extra firming nuit. One of those, I always use it. And tolerriane Laroche Posay. So that's a freebie. And the major topic of my conversation should be this gem. I read about it, so many controversy reviews in Fragrantica, and I thought, okay, I must do my own judgment. I cannot force myself to do it now. I have to just grow to this perfume, because I never liked it as much, but I bought it for some reason. Maybe it's some reason, I don't know. It's like I was going there and I just bought it, and that's it. I never hunted for that, so we'll see. And again, it's Guerlain Eau de Toilette, not a perfume, not to be so heavy as I don't want it anymore. Samsara, 30 ml. That's exactly what I want. I don't want much. I don't want more. I have more than enough. So that's it for now. More later. I'm your silver butterfly. Bye for now. I have to fly somewhere.